the case of the state against Rittenhouse, and the media have been asking questions. There's been conversation around this morning. We had asked the media coordinator to determine possible whereabouts of certain persons because we received a report this morning from the Kenosha Police Department that last evening, and let me just set this background here. The jury in this case is being transported from a different location in a bus with the windows covered so that they don't have to look at aren't exposed to any signs by one side or another or interest in the case. And so I'm going to call it a sealed bus. And that's been done every day, and then they're brought here to this building. And last evening, a person who identified himself as James G. Morrison and who claimed that he was a producer with NBC News, employed for MSNBC, and under the supervision of a person. What's going on? Oh, okay. Under the supervision of someone named Irene Bayan in New York for MSNBC. The police, when they stopped him because he was following at a distance of about a block and went through a red light, pulled him over and inquired of him what was going on, and he gave that information and stated that he had been instructed by Ms. Bayan in New York to follow the jury bus. The matter is under further investigation at this point, and the media has asked questions about it. That's the latest I have. And he was ticketed for violating a traffic control signal. He's not here today from what I'm told, and I have instructed that no one from MSNBC News will be permitted in this building for the duration of this trial. This is a very serious matter, and I don't know what the ultimate truth of it is, but absolutely it would go without much thinking that someone who is following the jury bus, that is it's extremely serious matter, and will be referred to the proper authorities for further action. Thank you.
I like this judge. He's not joking at all. He wants to make sure that this matter is not appealed, because no judge wants for their matter to be appealed. Judge Bruce has called this matter deeply disturbing and serious, and indeed it is disturbing and it's serious. And he has said that no one from MSNBC News will be permitted into the building. At the end of the day, I'm not sure that he is sure that this particular person who was following the bus carrying the jury was from MSNBC News, but then he's not taking chances at all. The man is so serious. Like, have you seen the video where he's yelling at the prosecutor? Even I was like, wow, as a lawyer, I've never seen a judge yell like that. Some judges are quite out there, but they will give you room to speak so that nobody says it wasn't a fair trial, and they will guide you. But this particular judge, when he started yelling, he was ready to continue, and I'll put that video of him yelling up for you at some point. But thank you so much for watching this, and let me know what you think. Was it correct, or was it right for him to just basically say that no one from